are now in Coron, Jaycationers. Let's do this, mga UBES. We are up on the rooftop of Hop Hostel. The weather's cleared up a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna try to fly my drone. It's a little windy, but not too much. Today is a travel day. We are headed to Coron in Palawan. It's early, it's like 3 in the morning right now. I don't know why I did this, but when I was in Barcelona, I was busy and I was booking my flights. I booked a 5:30 in the morning flight. Who does that? I guess me. I had no choice. I tried to change it and it was expensive, so fail. Don't book a 5:30 flight and try to save a few bucks. Wait till like 11 and pay the extra little dollars. I don't know why I did that. I'm not the budget traveler. I'm the reasonable one. Special thanks to my cousin. Thanks for having me stay here at your place. It's a beautiful spot. Wish I could stay here longer. It's time to explore the Philippines a little more. Get outside the city.
A few moments later.
Just picked up a Grab driver on the way to the airport. 170 pesos at 3:30 in the morning. It's about $3. Derby, thank you.
Thank
my
you,
Grab
sir.
driver. Salamat.
Thank you.
Very mahusay siya.
Ingat, sir. Ingat.
Alright guys, we're now in Naya Terminal 4, getting on a Cebu Pacific flight to Coron, direct. Alright, we're all set. Got my ticket. Just gotta go through security one more time. So in these airports, you gotta go through 2 securities. Once when you go into the check-in desk, and then after when you go into the terminal. Alright guys, we are through 2 levels of security. It's a little different here. So remember, there's gonna be a male line and a female line. I know, that wouldn't cut it in America with all the LGBT stuff. There's 2 different layers, 2 different levels, and then once you're here, you sit down and you just wait for your flight number to be called. It's a small airport, a few gates. I'm here in a lot of time, plenty of time. So many people here, about 50 minutes of the flight, waiting to board. Out on the tarmac, walk into the plane, taking Cebu Pacific over.
Ladies and gentlemen, in compliance with civil aviation regulations, your cabin crew will now take their seats prior to takeoff.
Just made it to Paswanga Airport. Gotta grab my bags, find my shuttle. That was a quick flight, about 50 minutes, maybe even less than that. Weather looks good so far. Uh-oh, there's the fog. We are now in Coron, Jaycationers. Let's do this, mga UBES. Guys, this is a legit conveyor belt for baggage claim. SALAMAT. That was quick and easy. Now let's go find our car. That was fast. We're in the shuttle on the way to Hop Hostel. I'll talk more about Hop Hostel when I get there. And yeah, we'll see how far this ride is. Also, the air conditioning in this van and in the airplane lit. 1 to 10, a 10. Alright, Jaycationers just got dropped off after a long and bumpy ride through Coron. Half of the roads are paved and it's about a 30-minute ride into the town. I actually wonder how many dogs die a year here getting ran over. Like how many dogs are roadkill here? Wonder if there's a stat for that. So I'm at my hostel, Hop Hostel. I'm staying here for 5 nights for just around 80 bucks total. 80 bucks total. I'm in a 4-bed dorm. I can't check in yet until 2 o'clock. Already filled out all the stuff, but I can't go to my room yet. and it's only 8, so I'm just gonna sit down and edit. We're here for a while, so I'm just gonna chill. Just ordered breakfast here at the Hop Hostel. 250 Philippine pesos for the long silog. My second long silog got the sile, which is chili with the vinegar. Comes with a side of fruits. Got the sunny side up eggs. I'm starving now. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Still can't check in, but I'm editing. I'm getting productive stuff done. So the weather can turn real quick, especially this time of year here. It's June here in Coron, and yeah, like it was raining hard like 1 second, then it was clear, then raining hard again, then it gets breezy. Yeah, I was gonna walk into the town and try to upload a video, but I don't know. I just want to get these videos out, so that's my priority here. Alright guys, so the rain has just let up. I'm walking with a couple of hostel mates down to the town. Gotta find some Wi-Fi. The rain's gone for now, and there's a little like 2-minute walk down this hill. I don't know, man. These roads are like paved but not really paved.
Day 2. Days later.
Hi, what are your guys' names?
Izzy. I'm Jamie.
So apparently there's the airport's closed today. Airplane might have overshot the runway.
Lumag pa sa runway ang isang eroplano ng Skyjet sa Busuanga Airport sa Palawan.
Scandal.
Crap, I'm flying out on Monday. I hope it's open. Y'all have fun diving and...
Bye.
What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
What's your name,
We're here,
dude?
we're in Coron. My name is Ollie. Ollie Tidy. I just woke up. This girl here, she's beautiful. She's just covered me in Oral-B, mate. Like, honestly, she's the love of my
That's not
dream.
sunblock, that's
Not,
toothpaste,
I may be
dude.
ginger, but it's not factor 50.
Yeah.
It might work the job. I'm still burned.
He's still gonna burn.
But yeah, Jamie over here.
Do not go out the night before that you go diving.
Oh yeah, do go out, mate. Go out every day, and then if you're diving, you'll be hungover. We'll get in that sea, and you'll be sweet. Have a Marlboro Light. Oh, mate, like this is.
This dude was out till 3 a.m. It's only 7 o'clock in the morning right now. So.
Just hope I don't die. This guy, mate, Barcelona shirt. He knows exactly
Hey,
what he's
Visca
doing.
Barca.
He's been around
What's
the
up?
block. I'm still Jenny from the block.
There you
Used
go.
to have a little bit of have a lot. Yeah, mate. Peace out.
All right, man. See you
I
around.
love you.
See you around
Wherever
town,
you're
bro.
from. See you on the news.
We'll see him in the nightlife part of the video.
I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I came from.
Tomorrow.
What's up, Jaycationers? So we are just finishing night number 4 here in Hop Hostel in Coron Palawan, Filipinas. Going downstairs to grab my daily coffee and use this place that has better internet than the rest of the island. Gotta upload a vid. I'll give you guys a little tour of this Santorini looking hostel. It's only 3 months old from the time I filmed this. This is June 2018. Yeah, there's a lot of great amenities, and they're still working on a lot of stuff, working out some kinks and whatnot. But once they get it oiled and all polished, it'll be ready to go, and this will be the best hostel to stay in Coron for sure, because other places I've looked at, nah, I'm good. Like, I'd rather stay at a resort. There's a 2 Seasons by the Bay resort here that looks really cool, and if I had the Skrilla in Manila for that, I'd definitely do that, but no. And I'm actually thinking of changing up a little bit of my itinerary. I have some time, I have 3 days. I might stay in Cebu, just so I could have a, you know, a bigger city for a few days, but I don't know, we'll see. I was planning on going to Bohol. Headed down this long staircase that I always go up and down at least 5 times a day. What's up, guys? We are up on the rooftop of Hop Hostel. The weather's cleared up a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna try to fly my drone. It's a little windy, but not too much. But I just want to get some shots while it's not raining. And yeah, it's the final day here. There's usually a bar up here, but it's closed due to the bad weather. It's been a nice, pleasant stay here at the hostel. Let's get the drone up. what I would recommend here at Hop Hostel is spend an extra few dollars to get this king bed on a bunk. Look how awesome it is, this huge king bed. I would have for sure done that if I knew. I didn't know, so I have this little twin, but it's still comfortable. Love the privacy curtains. Quality of these beds are super good and the best I've had in hostels. Probably comparable to the one in Germany when I was in Cologne. So this is the hostel. Huge lockers, and it's actually a full-size bed. Took one more walk to the town since it's not raining right now. Picking up a couple more souvenirs before we leave. We leave early tomorrow.
I know it's up for me. Making sure I'm not in too deep.